Our connected cameras provide real-time camera footage with smart features to help manage liability and safety. Today we will be installing our connected dash camera. For this installation, the required tools are included in the box. Before you install your connected camera, be sure to note the serial number located on the product and box. You will need this number to activate your device. Locate the vehicle's diagnostic port. The port will be located under the vehicle's dashboard area, usually below the steering column or the lower driver's side kick panel. Consult your vehicle's owner manual for the exact location. Insert the power cable into the vehicle's diagnostic port, firmly pressing to ensure a good connection. Route the power cable up the driver's side dashboard towards the center of the windshield, using the trim stick provided in the kit to tuck the extra wire into the dashboard and windshield seam. Hide all extra wire inside the dashboard. Route the power cable wire up the back of the windshield mount, pressing the cable into the groove in the bracket. Attach the camera to the magnetic mount. Once everything is connected, start the vehicle and allow it to run for 5 minutes, allowing the camera time to connect to the cellular network. Once you install the device, you can activate your product at activatemyechomaster.com. For any additional questions, please visit EchoMasterFleetSolutions.com.